What's going on, guys? It's Austin with Gone in 60. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys are having an amazing start to your new year. I hope you guys have a bunch of goals that you guys are ready to hit. Excited for you guys to see what we have in store this year because it's going to be awesome for the channel. Thank you guys for just all the support that you guys send my way. Today I want to do a video that I've been curious to do for a while. I'm curious to get your guys' feedback, my audience. I know you guys watch a lot of Mustang content, Camaro content. I want you guys to be the judge of how fast my car is. And when I talk about how fast my car is, what I really mean is, I watch a lot of other YouTubers out there. Obviously, I'm at higher elevation. You guys can see in the background, we're around 4,000 or 5,000 elevation. I know that impacts the performance of a car, but I watch a lot of other YouTubers out there. I see their cars accelerate that are pretty much stock like mine, and it makes me wonder, is my car as fast as theirs? So I want you guys to help me with that today. So we're gonna be doing a couple pulls at some various speeds. I think my car does pretty good. It kind of depends on the day, but I feel like sometimes after 60, it just kind of flattens out a little bit. But I'll do a couple pulls. You guys leave in the comments below what you guys think. Is it fast? Is it slow? Is this normal for a Scat Pack? I would love your opinion. I'm just going to show you guys some pulls. Want to get your guys' feedback on how well the car does. So, tell me the honest truth. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you guys for all the support on the channel, and we'll go ahead and get inside the beast, and we'll do a couple pulls, and you guys tell me what you think. All right, second gear pull. Third gear pull. Fourth gear pull. All right, guys, so there you have it. I did a first gear, second gear, third gear, and also fourth gear pull. The car ran pretty good today. It's about 40 degrees outside, so it did all right, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. I mean, sometimes I get in my car and I feel like it's the fastest thing around, and then other times I get in it and I feel it's really slow, and I know that can depend on humidity. I know that can depend on a lot of other factors, but you guys watch a lot of this content. I would love your guys' feedback. Is this fast or is this slow? How does this compare maybe to your car if you have one? So guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.